This is the pin for the spec frame. I think this is probably one of the next things I'll be working on. I thought the bolts were broken inside it, but that one is only dirt inside, so all I need to do is clean and tap it out. And this one I haven't actually checked, but that's hardly dirt. Oh, actually, oh no way, that's actually dirt as well. I didn't check. So all I need to do is clean them holes out and they're ready to go. Oh, that's brilliant. So I'll give you a quick look at the truck, what I done there just last week. Mud guards and toolboxes. Mud guards aren't kind of like what I wanted, but it'll do. It just comes flush with it. I was having the body 20mm out further past the wheel, but I'm in the west of Ireland and everything's fucking narrow around here, so I'm kind of going to be okay with that. Once this is painted, it'll look a bit better. I have the toolbox mounted there, just the space filled up altogether. Really good toolboxes. They're nearly airtight. They're hard to open and close. Just need to be bolted in. My plan for down here, I want to get all the spaces filled. Just with kids running around here, I don't want anyone getting in there and getting hurt. And I don't like using steel guardrails just because of the maintenance of being scratched. I hate when it gets scratched, it looks dirty. My plan was to put a set of cones here, a half a set, like 3 cones, just to fill that space a bit. But I might put steel there, and then when I have to fix it, I'll either put cones there or I'll put aluminium railing. I just don't want anyone getting in there. And the other side was worse, just the gap is huge here. So I'm going to have to put something here. So I don't want to leave it the way it is. Stop, dirty. It just needs to be covered up. I have 2 toolboxes here again as well. What I'll probably do here is a rail in here. I want a work light shining on the ground here. That'll probably fill up that space. This is a gap that was here. I just ran the railings all the way down and left a hole here. I'm either going to put a basket here for timbers and blocks or sets of skates. I have a set of 4 hydraulic skates coming and maybe 2 solid ones that just roll in a straight line. And I want to fit them in the toolboxes to keep them safe, but if I can't, I'll have to fit them here, or else I'll put a rubbish bin or something here just to fill the space. Just that done there. So my plan here now is the winch lines for this truck ended here, and it was a steel line on the other truck. So I'm gonna have to run the body back because I need to get all fresh lines made up for this truck. My plan, yeah, is just run this back, and I'll put on I'll put the winch on. Very slow going back. Awful slow going back. So I just hope them winch hydraulic line will reach that winch and have the proper connections. So what I have to do next on the side of this, I need to drill and tap that side of the body for my marker lights. And then once I have that drilled and tapped, I'm going to paint it. I didn't want to paint the sides until I had all the work done on it. And I'll have to pull that up just to get the hydraulic lines out. I don't think they're going to reach there. The next thing I'll do is I'll just start assembling the winch. I'll show you how it goes together, and then I'll mount it up there. do the assembly of this the best I can. Explain it. I've everything taken apart. It's the way it's going to be serviceable. Just everything taken apart. There is a 10mm plate down here that bolts onto this, that locks it into position. So I might speed up some of this video as I'm going along. Just fast forward it. So I'm putting in these bolts and nuts. All these nuts and bolts will be changed for hardened nuts and bolts, because there'll be a lot of pressure on these to shear them off. But I just want to get it all together and working, and then I'll know exactly what I need. So I want to get a load of them for the car bench as well. There's a lot of, I want to order them all in one go. But I have hydraulics hooked up now, so I can run the winch. And I think I get a car pulled up and see what it looks like. Make sure that's still recording. No point putting that in yet. I have to put the run the winch cable. So all that is serviceable. So next thing I'm doing now is pull the winch cable out, just run along the ground there, and then I'm gonna run it around this pulley and then fit all this in. I know there's going to be comments, shouldn't be touching the cable without gloves on. Thanks. And this side gets bolted in. The only thing I haven't done is I need a hole here for a grease nipple. Unless I can get it out some other way. Going to have to be some change. I think I'm going to have to get something to hold the line in. If this goes to nylon rope, it won't make a difference. But just to keep this bent around the snatch block and pulley. Probably have to put something here coming around, just hold it down. So the whole point of this, because I think I'm gonna have to have something else here to keep the line fed in around that. But that's the whole point of putting this together here now. Just add the extra couple of bits before I paint it.
So this is a problem.
Right, so there's that set up. So the problem that I'm going to have is I want to have something here to hold that in there. That I'm just going to have to put something up here to hold it in. And I'll probably have something that comes across here. It just holds that down. It'll just keep it that bit neater when it's not under tension. But as soon as if I have nylon in here, this will just lie flat in here. That should be it. Alright. I'll go put a car on and see what happens. Just going to tidy up here.